People ask me why saris, why all the way to go to Banaras, Kashmir, Kutch to bring the saris while it is readily available. We can just browse it and get it online. The reason behind me traveling all the way to Banaras, all the way to Kashmir, the beautiful valleys, I wanted to bring something which is made with love, with passion, and with a beautiful story behind it. That's the reason at the House of Karigari, what we are selling is not a product, not a design, not a sari. It's a story, it's a creativity, and it's a love. So that's the reason I started this brand called the House of Karigari, wherein every sari you see is a handpicked, has a story and a love behind it. So when you hear about Karigari, Karigari itself talks about its name, that is a craftsmanship. So every sari you buy it here is made with a hand and with lots of love. So that's the reason we named it as the House of Karigari. Here you will see lots of Banarasi, which we have picked it from Varanasi. You have see the Pashminas. The Pashminas we have got it from the valleys of Kashmir. You will see Bandhanis, which are directly sourced from Kutch. When we talk about Paithani, it's the most beautiful sarees, which is handmade in the beautiful village of Maharashtra, which is Paithan. And we have resourced it from there, and it's available at the House of Karigari. Sourcing is not just buying something, but it's a pilgrimage for us. You know, when I went to the Banaras, I have seen a small 10 or 11-year kid sitting next to his father, learning how to weave the sari, and it was so touching and heartwarming. You know, you feel that this is a piece which should go to the world and should tell it about it, that this is what we get in India, this is what is made in Banaras, and it's generation to generation, this is what is getting passed. Here we talk about a touch by a human hands with a creative mind and lots of patience. But when you come here at the House of Karigari, every sari you pick it up will have its own story and its own destination. You know, when I visited the Banaras, when I visited Kashmir to buy the Pashmina silk, or to the Banaras to buy the Katan silk, I have seen how people made it. The silk is chosen with so much love, so much care, so much dedication, that each and every thread goes through a quality check by a human hand. They pick up with a very beautiful thread, they weave it, the motifs are made, a design is made, they weave it through the threads, they send it to the dyeing presses. I have seen the dyeing process. Believe me, the entire process is so beautiful, so beautiful. No machine can give you that experience which we have witnessed there while buying the saris. The zaris, of course, the zaris used in our saris are a pure silver zaris coated with the colors we want, which should match the thread colors maybe. There are lots of Sona Rupa zari we used. But the silver which you see here will be original silver, which will be dyed with different colors, which will be protected with the threads, the resham threads, and that is how it gives you the different colors. But the zari, silver zari, you will get it a pure or silver marked zari will be here available at the House of Karigari. So when you people buy a handloom sari, you're just not buying a piece of a sari, you're buying an sustainable clothing, a sustainable art form which will support lots of families here who are behind this creativity. So during this fast fashion era, the fast fashion brands want you to buy more, use it and throw it. But here at the House of Karigari, whatever you will buy, it will be exactly opposite to you. This will be passed on from a mother to a daughter, a grandmother to a granddaughter. So even if the sari is passed for say around 50 years or so, and still it will be as it is, because what we sell here, as we said, is a handloom and a hand-picked saris. So at the House of Karigari, we are not just selling a sari, we are telling stories, and we want the stories to be passed on.